which Pilani for incident zala. This is the sixth incident. It is not occurring well. It's giving a bad name to the state, to the institution. Institution should take moral responsibility. I have written to the Chief Minister regarding the previous incidents. Now I have to write to the Chief Minister to take action against the school now. It's high time when action has to be taken against the institution. If we go on saying that institution is our elite institution, we cannot tolerate it. So I will be meeting the Chief Minister. I am writing to the Chief Minister also. I just came to know because I just came to know late about the incident. I was told by another student, this student who died, the student is a known person to, the family is known to one of my constituent. Both of them know each other. The daughter of my constituent used to stay at their house in Pune somewhere, wherever. So they know them very well. They were shocked about this incident. They are doubting even what police has said. So if they doubt, means it's a bad name for the police. Now police is getting a bad name is because of the institution. Now you can't pass the buck. You have to fix responsibility. So I'll call upon Chief Minister. I'm going to send an email to him to fix responsibility on this. We cannot tolerate this type of students. They are the future of our country, our state. Institution is belonging to our state. They may be from other state. By the way of fact of the module of the Government of India, where students from all over have to come into colleges in the state, they have come via that mode. Doesn't mean that we shirk our responsibility. So forthwith action is required, and forthwith we have to see that such type of incidents should not repeat, or we should take some action. Action model, what actions of us so it doesn't repeat. Action cannot be just touch and go. आता inquiries आपण 5 inquiries झाले, 5 स्टुडंटांचे केसेस जात आहे. Inquiry किती चालू होता? All this is, creating more doubts in the people. So, in order to avoid this, action is demanded from the Chief Minister, and immediate action is demanded. I feel we should demand it. And not only that, steps what the government is going to take and from the institution, that it doesn't repeat. Or they have to change the hostel, you have to do something, you have to take some action. This cannot. There are incidents, people are coming that there are drugs being supplied. It is coming on Facebook. So much so that activists are talking openly. This is not right. So, I will put an email and demand action from the Chief Minister and from that institution.